Everyone okay?
I guess we're not getting played with after all.
Well, who can blame her? No one could resist an opportunity.
Where is everybody? Where's Fred, the little wrestlers in the Eagle Force game?
Looks like we got all afternoon to find a role for.
Maybe some new ones.
Wow, they should really hit the jackpot this Christmas. Nobody's this good.
We're gonna meet some new toys. I'm both excited and panic-stricken.
Battle Swords. The ultimate dinosaur. I love it. Oh! Hey!
Cicada, katydid, and cricket.
Slow down, buddy.
Where are you going?
Where's the grasshopper? Here's the grasshopper.
This bleeding just very
Over there.
A complete set. Fresh out of the box.
Where is everybody?
Hello?
Hey, motion.